Welcome to this changelog video for Descript version 107, hosted by me, the Descript changelog. Apologies for the lack of a video for 105 and 106. It's a one-log show here, and my wife, Mrs. Changelog, needed me, but we're all good, and it's time to get back to business. Here's everything new in version 107. Number 1. We've made major improvements to working with text elements in the canvas. The bounding box for text will now wrap text in a more intuitive way, and the bounding box will always match the size of the text. If you prefer to use a fixed size for the box, you can use this setting here. It is useful for customizing the size of backgrounds. You can mostly ignore these two settings. They toggle automatically from auto width until you reach the boundary of the text box to auto height as it adds line breaks. We've also fixed a long-standing issue that caused captions on abbreviated words like doctor to add a line break, as if it were the end of a sentence. This has been resolved. Hooray. Number 2. Our transcription engine will now automatically detect the language of your audio and video files and set the composition language accordingly. If you have a preferred default language, you can set it in the settings menu here. Number 3. We introduced a host of new translation features in version 105 and 106. You can read about them on our changelog. Me. But I'll cover them briefly here. We added batch exports for translated compositions so you can export all your different versions at once. Text-to-speech is now supported in 19 languages. Here's a list of languages that support text-to-speech. Dubbing is supported in 21 languages, and for business and enterprise users, there are also new native speakers designed specifically for 10 languages. Use these tools to expand your reach and dominate the globe. Number 4. Here's all the bugs we fixed in version 105, 106, and 107. Maybe you didn't even notice some of these, and now you never will. Bittersweet, really. That's all for Descript version 107. I've been the Descript changelog, and I'll see you next time.